Hey Hub Heroes, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Sidekick Strategies team, and today we're going to take a look at how to easily compare access between two users in HubSpot at the same time by leveraging the compare access feature of HubSpot, which will allow us to fine-tune permissions without the guesswork. Check it out. So we're going to log into HubSpot, and on the top right hand corner over here we're going to click on the gear icons for the setting here, and then we're going to go on the left hand side to users and teams, and then here is where we're going to compare access for two particular users. In this case, I'm going to select myself, and then also I'm going to select George B. Thomas here, and then I'm going to, as you can see here, a compare access link just showed up here, so I'm going to click on that one right there. And then you will notice that we have now the ability to compare access from myself in this case and George in this case, and HubSpot by default will hide any similarities with this toggle below here, right? So as you can see here, we can now compare things like the user details, such as the seats, right, which they differ, the permission set as well, the teams, anything pertaining to the CRM objects, right? If they have to be changed, by the way, you can hover over any of these, whether mine on the left-hand side or George's on the right hand side here. We can go ahead and go straight into editing those permissions from here, and then yep, you can see the same goes for marketing, same goes for sales and the service hub, different accesses that either one of us might have. And then you can see here anything pertaining to more setting accesses can also be compared over here, right? So this does give you a good overview of what specific parts of HubSpot one user can access versus which one the other can't. And it's a very seamless and easy way for us to compare those two things. And that's all you need to know in order to successfully compare access between two users within HubSpot. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.